Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So today in today's video, I am going to demonstrate you the concept of break and continue. So starting with my video, I'm going to declare a variable with var I equals to 1. Then the for loop I can use here as while loop while I is less than equals to 10. So I'm writing an if condition if I equals to 4 or I equals to 5, let it be break. And document dot write I and I equals to I plus 1, right? So this program demonstrate the concept of break statement. Like what I have done here is if I'm clicking on an add function, my output comes 1 2 3 4. So how it is coming is when I'm clicking on an add function, it is calling an add function. So in this I have declared a variable with I as 1, while loop is being implemented in which I is checking the condition that I is less than 10, means 1 is less than 10, condition is true. So I is not equals to 5, I double equals to 5, no, because I currently we have a value of I as 1. So I is not equals to 5, so this condition will not execute, it will print 1. Then I plus 1 2, again 2 less than 10, I is not equals to 5, so 2 3 4. So when it comes to 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 is less than 10, yes. So if I double equals to 5, means if 5 equals to 5, then it will execute a statement as break. So whenever the break statement is executed, my loop will break at that particular iteration. So it will not print the statements which are written after break syntax, right? So in this case, I have only had output of 1 2 3 4. The 5 will not be printed.